Hello, and welcome to this short guide on how to edit the settings on a list layout on our core software platform. Want to know more? Let's get started. To edit the list layout, head over to the index and then click on Content Types. Find your content type and click Edit. Scroll down to the Layout section and click Edit on the list layout. Now you're in the Layout Builder. There are many settings on the sidebar on the left to explore here. Firstly, let's try changing the name of our layout. We have an option to enable large buttons in the list view. There are also options to change which form you use to create, edit, and bulk edit items. You can also add a button to be taken to an alternative form if you want to give your users an extra option, which I'll demonstrate here. Enable totals will let you display the sum of any given content field at the top of the list view. Disable autocomplete will do as it says on the filter field. We can also add inline comments, files, and tasks, which I'll show next, as well as new updated tags, which add a tag to items that have been recently created or updated. Here we can see the total gross value of items included in our jobs, and here we can see the inline files, comments, and tasks. You can also add files, comments, and tasks from menus here if you'd wish. The final options are list padding, which can make the list thicker or thinner, extra actions blade, which is for developers, and process buttons that we can add to quickly perform processes on either individual items or the entire list, which I'll show now. If you'd like to learn more about processes, check out the video library. Here you can see we now have a thicker list. We also have a button on each item to convert it to an invoice, as well as a button up here to convert all jobs to invoices. Once you're finished, hit Save to save your final changes, and then hit Cancel to exit the Layout Builder. Well done! You have now learned how to edit the settings on list layouts in the core software. Keep an eye out for similar videos on other topics you may need help with in our video library. Thanks for tuning in.